Hey guys, and welcome back to another Blender tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to be doing some basic modeling. So, let's get started. Now, I want to make sure that you've seen my basics video on basically all the navigation stuff on Blender. So, if you've already seen that, let's get started. So, in this video, I'm going to be drawing an arrow. So, let's just delete the square because we won't be needing that, and create a cylinder. Let's scale down the cylinder a little bit. Just clicking S. Stretch it out by just going to face selection, selecting the face. I think that's fine. I'm not going to do it too long. And then let's go back into object mode and create a cube. Now let's move this guy around to the side. Let's work on him. This will be the feather. I'll turn this guy into the feather. So let's go into edit mode, and let's shrink this down like that, about to the thickness that the feather would be. Now right here on this, let's go into edge selection and Control V to bevel it. Let's just like that. And now I'm going to do that, and then reselect right there and do Control B again to get a little bit of a different angle, like that. Then we can bring that down, or no, we can't bring it down. So just like that, and then select the bottom face and bring it up, kind of making it look like the feather, like that. That looks good. Now I want it to, yep, that looks good. So I'm going to stick it on the body. We go into object mode, R, which should be rotate, and then we're going to rotate this on the Y axis. So do RY 90, enter. Now we can bring this right over to it, but that is facing the wrong way. So let's do that. RY 180. Just like that. So now we can go to 7, orthographic view, bring this right onto it like that. Go to the side view, bring it up like that. Shift D, and we're gonna move it over. R Y 180. Oops. Yep. And then R just like that. Now let's move this one in and over like that. Yep, just like that. So now we have those two feathers, and let's select both of them and do Shift D. Then RZ 90. So now we have our 4 feathers on there, except a arrow doesn't have 4 feathers, it has 3. So let's actually just delete those. Take this guy, rotate. Actually, let's just take it and RZ. Let's get kind of the angle we want. Zoom in a bit here. make it line up. RZ. And then just move it around a little bit if you have to. There, like that. Now let's copy it one more time. And around RZ. And RZ. Now we got this split into thirds pretty well. There we go, like that. So let's bring this guy down a little bit. Okay. So they don't have to be perfect. We're just doing some basic modeling here. So once you get those, now we can create the tip. So let's select this, tab to go into edit mode, and let's create, actually go back out of edit mode. Let's create a cylinder again. Scale it down, put it up, so let's center this right on there, scale it so it's basically exactly the same, just the slightest bit bigger. And then once you got that, we're going to center it on there like that. There we go, that's nice on there. So now let's edit it. Just select the face, bring it up a little bit. Control B, bevel the tip. Okay. And then go to edge selection and select all these edges here. Be shift click. And we can go through and deselect those lines right after. So we can actually just go to top view, and that'll make it a little easier to just go around all of them. So once you get all these selected, we're going to bevel it, and this will give us kind of a different angle. So Control B. There. So that's kind of a sharper tip. So let's go back into object mode. And that looks pretty cool. So now we kind of have the basic shape of the arrow. Now let's start assigning materials. So for this color, I'm going to add a new material, and I'm going to actually keep it the same, but this one down here, I'm going to make it black. So not quite black, just a lot darker, like that. Feathers, I think I might just make blue, like, yeah. And then once you get a good color that you like, if you select both of them, do Control L, you can do materials, and it'll make them exactly the same color. That didn't work anyway. You can go over here and do blue, like that, and that's materials. Let's add a new color here. So once you got those, kind of looks more like a model rocket. That's fine. And then you can see the camera is definitely in the wrong spot. So let's move the camera around by right-clicking on this line and right-click dragging. Now you do have to go actually into the camera out of the camera, and then move it out like that. This is kind of a tricky part, getting that in the shot. So once you got it like that, let's just move it around a little bit. Alright, like that. That's pretty centered on there. Just like that. And let's add a plane on the bottom. Get down. Over. Scale it way up. Okay, let's scale that just up a little more. Okay, so you can take it right to the edge of the camera. Like that. Now we can change the color of this to like green, kind of grass green, like that. Let's go over here to File, Render, and you can see we only have one light source, so it's casting a big shadow and it's not lit very well. So let's get out of here again, select the light source and do Shift D. Now let's bring it over like that, and I'm just going to copy some of these, put them around like that. So once you got that, try rendering it again and see how it looks, and see that lit it up a lot better. Now looks like we need a couple more lights, so let's just put some here, like where the camera will be looking. It's kind of wherever. Let's see how that looks now. Much better lit up. Now those, you can see that looks really nice. Looks like we need just a little more in that corner. So this would be like that. Much better. So now it's lit very well. Now let's change these to, let's just select all these. Looks like this. And change them all to suns. Image. There we go. So I like this. It looks really nice. It's lit very well. So I hope this video was useful, and if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.